Hey guys, Candida here, and tonight we're going to talk all about the Frownie Facial Patches. Now, you can see here, they're going to go on my forehead, and this is the area that I want to work on. As I've gotten older, these WT "Are you serious?" lines are getting deeper and deeper, and we're going to use these to help fill these in. So, the first thing we want to do is you want to wash your face and make sure it's nice and dry before we start applying the Frownies. Now, once you've gotten your face washed, make sure that you dry it really well and your hands. You don't want your hands wet when you go to open the Frownies. So all you've got to do is lift the box up, and the Frownies are going to be in sheets. So you can just tear those, and here's the Frownies. And right here, I'm going to pull those little edges off just to make everything go so that you can see they've got, they've got the little thing. So I'm just going to simply tear it right there on the little cutouts. There it is. Now, here I'm going to bend it in half because I am going to do a bigger part right here in my forehead, and then I'm going to use the littler parts on the sides. So I tear it apart. Now, what we want to do is we want to wet this so it's going to stick in place on our forehead. And then I'm ready to go ahead and put it. So I always just put it right here in the middle, and I push it down, and I make sure that it's nice and tight. And then that's it. So once you get them in place, and they are stuck to the forehead, you want to leave them on for a minimum of 3 hours. I often sleep in mine. So now what I'll do is I'm going to go to bed, and I will check back with you in the morning. Okay, so I just woke up. I've had these on all night, and now in order to pull them off, we have to get them wet. Typically, I would do this in the shower, but for video purposes, I'm going to go ahead and get my face wet, and then we're going to peel them off. So once they're nice and soaked, you're going to want to go ahead and just gently peel them off. Just that easy. The wetter they are, the less you're going to feel that pull. And so now, what I would do is I would wash my face, but I want you to see. Let me go ahead and dry my face. What I've noticed after taking off the Frownies is just how smooth my skin feels. So I hope you found this review helpful.